dance break. Let's go, boys. Ooh, nice transitions. Hey, what's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here is a new reaction video for the SB19, ang ating 18 boys. Let's go. So ito, may collab sila. This song is Emoji. This is the official music video. So if I'm not mistaken, kasi nag-research ako, search ko siya online, sino si Jolene. Okay, Jolene or ano ba. If I'm not mistaken, she's a Taiwanese singer, performer, and artist. Actress din ata to eh. So I'm very excited kasi nakikita ko yung mga parang promotional posts ng SB19 regarding this. So I'm very, very excited to listen to it, to watch it, kasi matagal-tagal na ding hindi ako napag-react sa SB19. Don't forget to subscribe if bago po kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel. Okay? You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Hinaan lang natin ng konti
Ay, Bobby.
Ganda ng production. Sheesh!
I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Get the neon skin, I'm glowing, keeping it cute, keep it exciting. Read the cover for a messy place. What's in my mind cannot be traced. And I won't say much, just kiss the face. Two thumbs up, send hearts like this in a swipe, swipe, pause, slash post, then I'll pause. Trending fingers crossed. I don't really mind cause it ain't my loss. I'm living like a villain,
What?
like a boss. Game time, tago-tagoan ng feelings in my side.
Nice. May Tagalog din. Okay, wait lang. Ipo-pause ko. It's because, pag umpisa pa lang, I already saw the kind of quality, yung production ng music video, the editing, everything was world class. Okay? Up to this point, yung lines ni Pablo and everybody, grabe. I don't know if you guys would agree with me, but I kind of feel like, bias aside, I kind of feel like they're on this, BTS level of production already. The song, the music, everything is high level, high quality, steps higher than other P-pop groups. So I don't know if you guys would agree with me, but that's just how I feel about this one. Ooh, Justin, let's go. Sheesh. I like the effects. Gusto ko yung part na yon, parang, there's different emojis. Yung facial expression, 'di ba? Characters, no? Parang yung alter egos na nasa loob ng isang tao. Wow, that's really interesting. Ooh. Ooh, sheesh. Let's go, boys. Okay, eto na si Jolene. Oh, galing ah. Sheesh.
Refresh, I'm the reason you scroll. Stay with your chest on top, LOL. If you want the real thing, you gotta be bold. If you read my emojis, read the whole. I'm a filter queen with a private soul. Yeah, I'm a filter queen with a private soul.
You wanna be vulnerable. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no talent.
Sheesh. Galing talaga, oh.
We all do, but
Hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the thrill.
Grabe. Grabe yung production, hands down. Hindi pa natatapos yung whole music video. Man, hands down, grabe. I feel like I'm watching, okay? Para akong nanonood ng BTS nagko-collab sa Blackpink. I'm not gonna lie. With all honesty, yan yung quality na binibigay ng music video na to sa akin. That's my personal perspective and how I consume this music video.
Things I felt. Emotion knows the drill.
Hey.
I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Ooh, nice transitions. Hey. Haha. Cinematography. Ganda. Emojifying, okay. Oh, dance break. Let's go, boys. Angas. Ooh. Nice. Wow. Nice. Just wow. Wow lang talaga yung masasabi ko dito. Grabe yung production, man. Grabe yung production. It's a well thought. Grabe yung nila, imagination, no? The quality itself. Grabe, mapapawaw ka talaga, no? And I think I'm very overwhelmed with the music video in terms of visuals na hindi ko pa masyadong absorb yung meaning behind the song because I was too overwhelmed with the musicality, the music, yung nila, yung parts nila, no? Kasi nga, 'di ba? It's been a while since the last time I reacted to an SB19 performance. So, siguro yun, I was just too overwhelmed. So, if you guys already understand well the story of the song, no? What's behind the song, the meaning behind the song, you can comment it down below and, help me understand, no? Kasi magtulungan tayo dito. Hindi naman kasi ako perfect na, and, most of my reaction videos naman kasi were, blind reaction videos. So, it's the first time. Tapos, pag hindi ko naman siya first time, sinasabi ko naman sa inyo na it's not my first time, di ba? But this one, it's totally 100% blind reaction. So, kaya nga, I need your help, no? Tulungan niya akong ma-understand, na ma-absorb ko yung kanta, the meaning of the song. Kasi I'm just too overwhelmed. Grabe, world class. Sasabihin ko ulit para kung nanonood ng BTS na nagko-collab yung Blackpink. Yun yung level of professionalism, artistry, level of skill set. Grabe, ang galing. And I kind of feel like as the years goes by, parang wala na masyado yung role na ito yung lead singer, ito yung lead dancer, ito yung blah blah blah, because as the years goes by, parang they're all at par. Parang at par na sila lahat ng skill set sa sobrang galing nila, no? Grabe yung improvement ni Justin, ni Josh sa singing, ganon. Tas grabe yung improvement ng iba sa dancing, 'di ba? Parang na sila no? At par sila ng level of skill set. Although meron talagang forte yung bawat isa sa kanila, I know you get my point, okay? And Jolene, man, para siyang member ng Blackpink. Ang galing. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Hindi pa tweetums, hindi pa cute-cute. Skill-wise, magaling. Just wow. Good job, good job. So yeah, anyway, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Bye. Peace.